This activity is called snap frame or snap fasteners. The child is to sit to your left while you are presenting. The sound of the snapping buttons and the texture and color of the fabrics can be a point of interest for the child. By pointing to each part, you will help the child to gain awareness about what it is their fingers need to do. Be sure to check out the DIY section of our website by using the links in the description below, where we show you how to build this frame. Thanks for watching, and click here for more videos.